Want to know how to check for new notifications in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Best Buy on how you can easily use it, sign up, sign in, and even install. So make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Best Buy, you should be on the home by default once you have signed in. Now, in order to see your notifications, on the top right side, you should be seeing this notification icon right here. So you can just simply click on it. So you should be seeing all of your notifications, updates, and offers as well. Right here, you can just simply switch accordingly. So if you somehow do not see notifications right here, or if it does not show up, you can just simply head towards your account on the bottom right side and then select view notifications right here. So now once you have triggered view notifications, it will show the same tab as you can see right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.